Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So in today's video, we'll be talking about 4 basic lessons that you need to learn before you start your stock market journey. So let's get into it. So now that you have made a decision to enter the stock market, there are some basic rules that you need to understand before getting on with the process. The first and foremost is mindset. Yes, it is very important that you have clear thought process before you get into the stock market, so that you exactly know what do you want and how can you achieve that. It is very important to have a clear thought process before you start your stock market investment. There are 2 types of person in a stock market. Number 1 is a trader and the second one is an investor. You need to align your thought accordingly, which will help you achieve the desired results. Understand what you want from the market. Have a clear position in your head which way to go and what suits your style. And it is very important to understand few basic rules of the game which will help you achieve your desired results. As there are 2 types of people in the market, there are 2 types of mindset. The first one, that's of a trader, and the second one is that's of an investor. Both of them have different approach. You have to align yourself as a trader while you are taking trading decisions, and as an investor while you are taking investing decisions. The 4 basic differences between a trader and an investor are based on number 1 timing, number 2 investing, number 3 analysis, and finally the focus. You need to align yourself accordingly while taking respective decisions. So here comes a very important question. Can I be a trader and investor both? The answer is yes. The second most important thing that you need is patience. Yes, patience. Patience is very important. If you're an impatient guy, then you should learn how to be a calm. You need to take charge of your thoughts, you need to take charge of your actions, and when both are in your control, you can be a successful stock market investor. So, you need to be patient in the market. You cannot let your anxiety overpower and take random decisions. This can be dangerous. The third important lesson is borrowings. What I mean is, never borrow to invest. To invest, you need to have your own money and consider it as a dead money. You never earn that money. The moment you realize that there is nothing to lose, you start focusing on learning rather than on the fear of losing money. Now just imagine if you would have borrowed the money to invest, then you would have digged your own grave. I'll explain you how. If you would have borrowed the money, then you will be in constant pressure of making profits. As you would like to repay the borrowed fund, interest on that money, and then make profit over and above to build your own corpus. This is too much to ask from a beginner. Also, there is very high probability of making trades emotionally and not logically. And let me tell you this, it is the most difficult position to be in. And finally, we have come to the 4th and the most important lesson that we need to learn. Keep it simple. Yes, you heard it right. Keep it simple. You know, we humans have a tendency to unnecessarily complicate a lot of things. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you do, then definitely hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for the weekly content ahead. Until next time, be wealthy and take care.